Guys, Solana is getting hacked right now. Guys, if you are watching this video and you still have Solana in your wallet, you need to hear this. Starting from August 2022, a lot of people have started noticing that Solana in their wallet has been drained off. And this hack application is spread on Solana and its native token. So if you are fortunate that you are still seeing your Solana and its native token in your wallet, you need to instantly do this before this hack application spread on your wallet to drain your Solana and its native token. So this solution I'm about to share with you is to keep your wallet safe from this hack application, from draining off your Solana and its native token. Number one solution to save your Solana is that you need to start transferring your Solana and its native token to a centralized exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or hardware wallets, or even other exchange. The second thing you need to do to save your wallet from this hacking is to revoke application permission from your wallet. Like this, open your Phantom wallet, go to settings, then go to trust application and revoke any application right there. This will save your Solana and its native token from draining off by these hack applications. And if you get value out of this, make sure you hit the like button right here and follow me for more information just like this.